Today, we're going to build a tie striker using 7 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
The beginning of this micro build is going to be like many other TIE fighters we've got. We've got this Travis brick here, and the big hole at the bottom will be the back of our TIE fighter. So to create those ion engines, we're going to get a 1x1 round red plate, translucent red plate, and put it in the back there for our back ion engines. And that's going to make this our front stud. So I'm going to get a 1x1 translucent black tile piece for our cockpit and put it right there. And now here's where we're going to vary it up a bit. Now usually when I do a TIE fighter, it's kind of like a square, but now we're going to make it more of a diamond look. And the reason we're doing that is I'm going to get this corner plate, this 1x2 corner plate, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it so that the one end goes across and then down and then in front of the TIE cockpit. I'm going to do it the second corner piece. I got this 1x2 corner piece, but this time they're going to be touching. So they're touching here at the end. So put it here so they're kind of make a V, and then they go across the front. So here you can see how those are connected. And now once I've got those corner plates on my Travis brick, I'm gonna get these 3x2 wedge plates. And I'm gonna put, so you've got this longer straight end, that's gonna be the outside of the tie, and the part where it slants is gonna be closer to our Travis brick. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that long straight end along the corner plate here at the bottom. So I put it, they line up, and then that little tip covers the top of our corner plate and kind of hides it underneath. And so when I do it to both wings, I've got a tie striker.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.